Alright boys, starting up the daily beast. This thing's got a straight pipe. Oh yeah, it's a Diesel. It's not straight pipe, unfortunately, but we got Maneet. We got his GC. Maneet's sad because his car is in the salt.
You gotta go back and do your alternator.
My alternator? Yeah, we do. So today, Alternator. So today we're gonna drive to my house. You're gonna take your GC because you're crazy.
Yeah.
And we're gonna
drive it because I wanted to drive it.
Yeah, I mean I don't blame you. I do too. I want to drive it. Give me the keys.
No.
The keys.
I don't think so.
Oh, okay,
Not
okay.
this time. Should I open the hood?
Yeah, open the hood. Let's see if everything's running correctly. Let's see if you plumbed anything right.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I don't think you did, but we'll see. Yeah, look at... Dude, your latch doesn't even work. What is this? Oh!
What was this?
GC hoods be like? An exhaust leak?
Yeah.
No, not really.
It sounds like the exhaust leak went away, boys.
Okay, the hole in the pipe is no longer. All right, Maneet's gonna go around the parking lot. We're gonna see if we can get some turbo. Oh God, terrifying. Is that your wheel? Belt? Ah. Woo! The power steering. Maneet versus 18-wheeler, Optimus Prime.
You hear anything?
Barely.
No, nothing.
Nothing. It still sounds cool.
There's no noise.
No noise.
Okay.
It's got to break in.
Alright.
Okay, we go to my house?
Yeah.
Okay. We're back home. Maneet got stuck in my driveway because my driveway sucks. And
got some damage.
a little bit of damage on the quarter panel.
Yeah.
We might as well show it because we're all...
This is
Yikes.
officially the bad side of the car now.
Yeah. His car is starting to rev pretty high. We don't know why.
Yeah, I'm not sure. The only thing I've had similar, like remotely similar in the past, was the idle air control valve, and it's very possible that this one has gone bad. I'm not supposed to rev this motor too high because it's brand new and I have to let it break in, and it just revved pretty high because I didn't have control of it.
It was weird. It got stuck, right? Like the throttle got stuck?
Yeah, I got stuck. I revved it a bit more than I should have to get out because I didn't know what else to do because there was cars coming. Yeah. The rev started sticking a bit, and now I turned it off. I just tried to start it and it just shot up, which is scary. So yeah, I don't know what to do.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to hold the throttle closed because we do have to start the car to use the OBD reader. Everything looks good, like all the connections are good as we can see, as far as we can see. No clamps have come undone, no silicone couplers popped off, so I guess give it a shot. Nope. I was kind of scared, but it was revving up before I let go, so he's gonna go hood open and he's just gonna come around. Sounds good. Oh.
It does that. That's normal. Let me start it again and see what happens.
It's all good. It seems perfectly fine. That was weird. Alright, well, the car's kind of fixed, but still acting funky, so we're just going to the garage. It's a little muddy. Time to do some old school Alternator. Check out what we're dealing with.
Nice.
Dude, we need some Subaru shoes to get out of this rally pit, bro. Sick, bro.
360 means.
So basically, we're gonna replace the alternator. A cool new. Oh shit! AC Delco. Much better than that. You know, that looks way better.
It's pretty good in it.
I wish this was zinc plated, but I'll go with the silver. And I have a sneaking suspicion. I've had this weird like tinge fan noise for a long time every time I let off. And I'm assuming it's the alternator fins. Don't know, but super care.
That thing has seen some
It's
days.
definitely seen some better days. I mean, it did catch on fire in my old setup, but I still put it in. I mean, I was on the track. And it's, yeah. And, you know, the AC's leaking, but that's
Nothing wrong with
Oh,
that.
but nothing wrong with that, mate. You fucking having a laugh, bruv. We're gonna take care of this because it's very simple. And it's something everybody should do, especially for the low price of $200.
When you are doing an alternator, it's very important. You see that guy? Yeah, you have to loosen that. Otherwise, you're gonna snap this huge bolt and you're gonna have a bad day because you can only get that from Subaru. Well, if you undo that, you undo the long one so the belt gets loosened. Then you take the belt off, then you take this long boy out, undo the electrical connections, and your alternator's out. Sorry, I kicked your...
No, I don't care. That's fine. It's already cracked. Look, you can't even see it. Check out the repair job.
Oh yeah.
That is the one. I don't want to break it, but we're using a 1/4 inch because that's what I had.
There you go.
Look at that. That's
mate.
loose, mate.
That's okay, you can loosen a little bit.
Oh,
Don't
just a
take it
little
out.
bit. Okay.
Don't take it out.
Now what?
Basically, what you want to do, right? is
No.
Take that out.
Take that out.
Yeah.
Can't you? Oh,
Or loosen it.
yeah, it's very loose.
Yeah, it doesn't really get tightened on
Okay,
it.
so
Just for the alternate skirt.
is that good?
Yeah, keep loosening it.
All the way?
Yeah, because the alternator will fall eventually.
Can't you tell I've done this before?
Yeah.
Whoa!
Turbo time. You're gonna have to undo that one.
That one.
Yeah.
Let's get it.
Look at the technique. Oh. There you go. You see that?
There we go.
The alternator fell.
Is that it?
Yeah, and you take off the belt.
Oh.
Mike.
Oh. Wait a second.
You take off the belt.
You want me to take off the belt?
Yeah.
Take off my belt.
Oh shit. I'm gonna go wide angle.
It's tight
Boom.
now. Rusty.
Yeah, don't stop it. Maybe undo the silver one a bit.
Maybe. Oh, this is not very tight. This is finger loose.
Yeah, that's okay though. Right, now undo the electrical connections.
Yeah.
That's a bolt
Yes.
or a nut,
And
rather.
there's no battery in the car, and there hasn't been.
Sorry, what was that?
There's no battery in the car.
Oh. I sure hope not.
It's not. It's the right side. Oh, I'm gonna get the bigger wrench. This is dumb that I'm doing this one. We're dusty boys. We got this connection off, and now we have this little plug. Plugs suck. So I'm gonna. Oh my god! I need a flathead for that. Unless you want to give it a go and eat your fingernails, but I don't.
Now you're gonna undo that long boy
This guy?
completely. Does it have a bracket on it? A bracket?
Don't think so. I don't see the. I don't feel a bracket.
It's just a nut?
Just a nut.
Okay. That's okay too.
I mean, I hope it's just a nut.
Yeah, just a nut.
Just a nut. Classic Subaru nut. Just pull that out.
Pull it out and now
And,
lift your alternator out.
Now check this out, boys.
It's kind of a heavy unit.
You know what?
It's gonna take a
it's
bit.
wedged.
Yeah. Just like that.
That's easy. Look at that. All right, let's grab this without dropping it. All right, we're halfway through. Maneet's phone ran out of space, but we've got the alternator kind of bolted up. I just gotta put the nut on the end.
I think I might need an SD card for my phone.
Oh,
and the cool thing
please
about
don't
those
drop
nuts is they have like a texture on the back, so once it's
once it's like sitting.
snug, it'll hold on to.
Yo, my fingers are not small enough for this.
Just buy smaller fingers.
Oh man, I wish it was that easy. Fuck.
You want me to take over, mate?
Maybe it might be better. Your fingers do seem to be a little more robust. Okay, I got it. That was risky, but I got it.
This guy's up to some risky business.
Rinsky. Ooh, I should have put some Loctite or something on this. All right, now we tighten this boy. No, we put the belt on.
Yeah, put the belt on, mate. Yeah, right on.
Does it have to be on the crank pulley?
No.
Are you sure?
What's a crank pulley?
Oh yeah, sorry, Mr. Fluid Damper.
It's not even on your power steering column.
Oh, is it not?
Oh, it is.
I got it. There.
That shit is fucked up.
No, it's not. It's not fucked up. Don't scam me.
I don't know about you guys. And this guy's got school.
I've got school. There we go.
Nice.
Looks like it's all on. Good to go.
Give it some tension. Make sure it doesn't snap, because that shit you can only get from the dealership. As far as I know. Maybe you can go to Bolts Plus and get a replacement, but
It's so tight now.
maybe get some W on there.
This has got spider webs on it, but we're gonna use it anyway.
Spider webs? Spider webs.
I squirted.
Here comes the spider webs.
That should be good enough.
Yeah, jeez, jeez Louise.
How much do I tighten this?
Until you can roughly twist the belt
Oh yeah.
180 degrees.
That's right.
Or
I thought it was
think,
half.
I think a quarter turn.
Yeah.
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 Yeah, if I can walk on the mud, you can.
Fucking down under. How many accents have we used this video?
Oh man, it's not racist.
No, it's
appreciating.
just appreciating other cultures. YouTube. It's getting there.
Check that, alright.
Yeah. It's probably pretty.
No, that's good, mate. You don't want
That's good.
You don't want to tighten it more than that.
No. Oh.
I saved it.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Oh, as soon as Maneet touches it, of course it starts going tight. Right? Oh. Is that supposed to happen? Okay, it's tight. That was fucking scary. Nothing happened, bro.
Yeah, now shake the alternator a little bit. It's not going anywhere.
No, sir. And we got a fresh new little bolt here, and it's a 12, not a 14, which is fantastic because that was a pain to switch over sockets for some reason. And then tighten this down just so it connects, right?
Spider-Man
Spider-Man does whatever an Aussie man does. And that's it.
Probably gonna want to plug in. Oh shit!
I did it.
You did. You plugged it in.
That looks so much better.
Yeah, that
But
looks
it looks
great.
so, this looks shitty now.
No, well, we just gotta clean it a little bit.
The dusty car.
STI 32 GDR.
32 GDR. Well, I think we're good to go. Anything else to do? Not start it up.
No.
Oh, not happening today. We're gonna tease you. But we did have a lovely startup of the GC, so that's what you get for today. But soon I'll be pulling this thing out, probably after I come back from Texas. All right, see you guys on the next one.
Like,
Comment,
subscribe.
and share.
There you
Thanks,
go.
boys.